video we will be solving this question, which is to generate binary string without adjacent zeros, which is very simple. You should be able to do this if you have seen my previous video. It is similar kind of a logic here, but here we have to deal with zeros instead of ones. So see, here we have to generate that strings, like that kind of binary string where consecutive zeros should not be there. Okay, consecutive 1 can be there, but consecutive zeros cannot be there, and we will be given n. Based on n, we have to generate the number of lengths that each and every string should have. We can very easily do this using recursion. So before starting the video, you can go through my channel and subscribe it, because you will get a lot of LeetCode videos which is recently asked in top MNCs that I have added. I have a complete string playlist, I have a recursion playlist, and so on. I will be adding it in the future also. So you can subscribe and press the bell notification so that you will get latest updates. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So here you can see we have a function and we are getting n as a parameter. So what we will be returning at last, we have to return an array. So let's create that. Let answer I will write, and it will be an array. I will be solving this question using JavaScript, but the similar logic you can use if you are using any other programming language. Okay, so after creating that, I will return it, because at last we have to return the answer, and in the middle I will be writing a function which will handle our recursion. So let me create that function. Const create binary string. Okay, and what it will take, it will take our current string, whatever string we have, and the last character, because last character will be very much helpful to us while handling this case. That should not contain consecutive zeros. Okay, like we should not include this kind of string 0 0 0 or 0 0 1. This kind of strings should not be there. Okay, so we have to handle that case. Initially when we will call this function, as we does not have any string, so I'll call it as empty, and last character is also not there, so we'll also have that one as empty. And whenever we are dealing with recursion, we have to first of all write the base case. So what will be the base case? We have to exit from this recursion when our length of this string, like whatever string we have it here, that length is equal to n, because it should not be greater than n. So I can just check if my string length is equals to n, then what you do, return. But at the time of returning, I want to push the answer. Whatever you have, just push it to it, push it to the answer. Okay, inside this function, what else we have to do? When we will insert 1, we don't have to do anything, so we can simply insert it. So I can write it here like this recursion function, just add 1 to it, and your last character will be 1 because you are adding 1. But we have to handle a case whenever our last character not equals to 0. At that time, what we have to do, we have to add our 0. So here I can just copy this one and simply write it here. Instead of 1, I will write 0. And what it will do, it will work and our answer will be solved. If I run all the test cases, you can see 2 test cases passed. Let me submit it. You can see our submission is accepted and it passed 20 test cases. So if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment. I will surely reply. And if you are new, please subscribe the channel so that I will be motivated, and share it with your friends. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.